In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT projects not showing. So for that, if your project is from your ChatGPT Plus or your Teams or Enterprise subscription, make sure that the subscription is active. Sometimes if your subscription is over, then your projects may be entirely missing. Then the next thing that you can do is ensure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, click and hold on to ChatGPT, click on More Features, then go to App Info, force stop, confirm it, then go to Storage Uses, click on Clear Cache. After that, you can go to Play Store, search for ChatGPT, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. If your app is already up to date, what you can do is simply open ChatGPT, then click on these two lines at the top left corner, then click on your profile at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down till the end, there you will find logout button, click on it. Then click on logout, then after that try to log back into your account and the projects might appear. And if a particular project is missing, then what you can do is click on these two lines at the top left corner. Then click on projects, and sometimes you might be in shared with you folder. What you can do is simply click on all or created by you. Then you will be able to find such projects from there. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.